Good afternoon, Najib, and today we start turning to engine 9J747. Engine turn. All turning good, very strong compression as you can see. The front all looks good, no damage here. And on this side all looks good. Pressure looking good, altimeter looking good as well. And turbo is in good condition. And the top all looks good as you can see. The back side all looks good as well. I didn't see any damages. Pipes is good condition, no orange inside as you can see. Starter looking good. And oil some, looking like so. Underneath I didn't see any damage. And turning engine 9J747. Thank you.